3:13 p.m. February 22nd, 2026. It's a Sunday, and we're supposed to be getting like between 12 and 20 inches of snow. It's just beginning. It's a thermometer, so it's a little above freezing. It's from the last snow. I think it was like this, like a Monday snow. Was it 5 weeks ago, I think? And then the temperature stayed below freezing for like 4 weeks. And yeah, but this past week we've had some warmer weather. So I'm going to be making some videos. We can get, so I guess by tomorrow, everything's going to be white, covered with snow. It's supposed to be like a very wet type of snow. Well, see the snow? It's around 5:30. Well, it's 5:40. The sun has set, and it's supposed to snow all night. Car track marks. Cars are just, I just heard that you're not going to be able to drive after 9. They're not letting people drive after 9 p.m. or something like that. Yeah, this is going to be a lot of snow. I mean, you hear the word blizzard. Now, I don't know. I don't think this is a blizzard yet. It's really coming down. It's a 7:05 p.m. It's going to be snowing all night. What's a blizzard? 35 miles plus. Blowing snow, 35 miles per hour. Winds for 3+ hours. I thought that's interesting. And then, do you know that falling snow isn't necessary for a blizzard? Blizzard that results from snow that has previously fallen is called a ground blizzard. It looks like I'm recording in black and white, but I'm not. That's what it looks like. I don't think it's blowing 35+ miles per hour. That would mean it's not a blizzard, according to that chart. So it's about 15 minutes past midnight, February 23rd, Monday, 2026. Yeah, and it looks like we've got 10 more hours or more. We might. I think it's supposed to go into late afternoon today. So yeah, it looks like it's a black and white. I'm making a black and white video, but see that the building. Well, it looks black. But I don't know. Okay. yeah. So it's around 2:15 in the morning. Yeah, they say we're supposed to get 10 to 14 inches of snow. Yeah, they plowed the parking lot. You would never know it, but because it snowed right over it. So it's around 6 a.m. exactly, Monday morning. Monday morning. And you know, snow is kind of, it's not, well, you can see. It's not as heavy as it, the wind is definitely still blowing, but snow isn't as heavy as it, yeah, we might get a few more inches. I don't know if we're going to get that 10 inches that they were talking about. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. Well, you can get an idea of how much snow we've had by looking at those cars. So the sunrise is around 45 minutes. Yeah, so it's like 20 after 7 in the morning. You know, basically, the snow it's not stopped, but it's, well, can you see? Oh, you can see. Let's see what the temperature is. Well, so can't see on, but unfortunately I have another thermometer, but this isn't as accurate. A little above freezing. Yeah, so they said this is gonna end around by 1 o'clock, but it's supposed to continue being windy. So I guess it's safe to say that the blizzard of 26 is over. It's like 8:25 in the morning. I think I can. So I just wanted to make a video showing, you know, every few hours what was going on.